Welcome to Fun with Forms, where we talk about how you can best use Desk Director's forms. I'm Mary Lou Classy.
And I'm Jazz Vorlich, and this week we will talk about implementing choice-based controls on Desk Director forms. To create a choice-based question in a form, open a new or existing form, click Add New Question, and select Choice. Enter your question in the title box and add a subtitle if needed. Edit the options by typing your text into the Option 1 and Option 2 text boxes. To include an additional other option, click Add Other, then use Add Option to add more choices. You can rearrange the options by dragging the drag dots and switch the display to a drop-down list by toggling the drop-down switch to the on position.
To create a question with multiple answers, start by clicking Add New Question and selecting Choice. Enter your question title and subtitle if needed. Fill in the text for Option 1 and Option 2, then click Add Option to include Option 3. Enable multiple selections by switching on the Multiple Answers toggle, which will change the radio buttons to checkboxes, allowing respondents to select more than one option.
To set a default option, click the checkbox next to the desired option. For a simple yes-no question, click Add New Question, then select the yes-no option from the three-dot menu. Enter your question title and subtitle, and the yes and no options will be automatically added for you.
To add a condition-based field, click Add New Question and select Statement to display information to users. Enter the title for this field and input the video URL in the subtitle box for users who selected Yes in a previous question. Click the three-dot menu, choose Set Condition, select the relevant question from the Dependent Question drop-down menu, then choose the Includes option in the Rule Condition drop-down. Finally, select Yes as the response that will activate this field.
Click Set Condition to save the condition, then scroll up and click Save to finalize your changes. And that's how you implement choice-based controls on your Desk Director's form.
See you next time for another Fun with Forms video.